Hello there! In this video, I want to show you how to enable and disable voiceover mode on your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. So for that, we would need to open settings. Here, go in the accessibility tab. And now right on the top of the screen, you can see the voiceover feature. So what does it mean? This feature speaks items on the screen and also you can receive useful hints. So after you will enable it by tapping on the switcher, you will see the pop-up window and voice feedback. Let me show you.
Voice set alert, important.
So here, if you want to cancel this mode, you just need to press the top button, like that. Wait a couple of seconds, and it will be disabled. If you want to keep it enabled, then you can choose the speaking rate as well. So here is the faster, here is the lower. Just drag the slide to the left or right to choose the speaking rate. Now also if you go in the speech section, you'll be able to choose voice for your voiceover mode. For example, now it is Samantha and you can tap here to hear its voice.
Hello, my name is Samantha.
You can also switch to the Siri, for example.
Hi, I'm Siri.
And here is how it will sound. Also, you can choose pitch range here and pitch change. And see many settings for this voiceover mode. So again, to enable it, just simply tap on the switcher and it will be enabled. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.